Hey signers! Welcome to the second part of our two-part series on ASL job signs. If you don't see the job you're looking for here, make sure to check out part 1 after this video. It might just be in there. Now let's jump in and learn how to sign jobs in ASL. In this video, we are going to be focusing on education, media, business, and community professions. Let's start with education professions. Teacher. Teacher. You're doing the sign teach and person. Teacher. Professor. Professor. It's the sign teacher. Professor. Tutor. Tutor, as in the job, tutoring. It is teaching, but with T hands and the agent marker. Tutor. There are slight variations for the sign principal. Principal, principal, or principal. Two of them have a fist with a twisted P or a tap, and then a flat hand, twisted P. Principal, principal, principal. Assistant, aide, or paraprofessional. You'll also see it done with the non-dominant hand as an A and the dominant as an L. Assistant, aide, or paraprofessional. Librarian. Librarian. It's library with the agent marker. Librarian. Counselor. Counselor. It's the sign counsel or to advise somebody with the agent marker, making it a person. Counselor. Assistant or aide. Your non-dominant hand is an A and your dominant is an L pushing up on the A. Assistant, aide. Secretary can be signed a variety of ways. Personally, I would sign it right with the agent marker, but you'd also see U, agent marker, or K, agent marker. Secretary. Now for signs about business, finance, and office careers. Manager. Manager. The sign for control, to manage, agent marker. Manager. Administrator. Administrator. Somebody who manages things. Administrator. Human resources. Human resources. Abbreviated HR. Human resources. Accountant. Accountant. You're counting with the agent marker. Accountant. Banker. Banker. Banker is a finger-spelled loan sign that looks like this, B-A-N-K, but really fast. And the agent marker, banker. Entrepreneur or entrepreneur. Both of them have the sign business and then set up person. Entrepreneur, entrepreneur. Salesperson. Salesperson. You are selling with the agent marker. Salesperson. This section is for retail, hospitality, and service jobs. Server, waiter, waitress. You're serving with the agent marker. Server, waiter, waitress. Cashier. Cashier. It's the punching in the buttons on the cash register. Cashier. Store manager. Store manager. The sign store and manage with the agent marker. Store manager. Stocker. Stocker. It's putting stuff on shelves with the agent marker. Stocker. Barista, or you could sign coffee maker. Barista. Chef. chef. Cook, person, chef. Florist, florist. It's a flower person. Florist. Now for signs for media and creative careers. Actor or actress. It's the sign act with the agent marker making it a person. Actor or actress. Artist, artist. Art, making it a person. Artist. Designer or designer. A D hand, drawing, or art with a person. Designer, designer. Photographer, photographer. Taking a picture, person. Photographer. Videographer, videographer. It's filming with the agent marker. Videographer. Editor. Editor can be many things. So you fingerspell it and then you can describe what kind of editing, as in cutting videos or critiquing something, and what you're editing. Editor. Producer, producer. It's like the sign make, but with P's and the agent marker. Producer. Director, director. Like to manage, person. A director. Now for signs about law, government, and public safety. Police, police officer, or cop. One is a modified C, making the badge, and the other is a full C, representing the badge. Police, police officer, or cop. Firefighter, firefighter. It's a B-shaped hand or a B-shaped hand on top of the forehead, referencing to their helmets. Firefighter, firefighter. Soldier or soldier. You can just do the sign soldier, like the sign for military, or soldier with the agent marker. Soldier, soldier. Judge, as in the person. It's like the gavel. Judge. Mayor, mayor. Mayor is fingerspelled. Mayor. Social worker. It's the sign social work, SW, with the agent marker to make it a person. Social worker. Case manager. Case manager. The idea is evidence your case and a person who is managing it. Case manager. Security officer or security guard. Security can be crossed or open like this, a protection, and then showing a badge, like a police officer. Security guard or security officer. This section is for community, religious, and personal roles. Profession or profession. Both use this sign for major or main. You have work, main, or a P hand. Profession, profession. Agent marker, agent marker. This sign makes the verb become a person of that verb. Agent marker. Trainer, trainer. It is a practice person. Trainer. Coach, boss. Somebody who has authority. I like to think of shoulder pads for this one. Coach, boss. Specialist, specialist. Your dominant hand is moving along this straight line. You're specializing in something with the agent marker. Specialist. Interpreter. Interpreter. The sign for interpret, and then the agent marker. Interpreter. Journalist. Journalist. Newspaper, report, and the agent marker. Journalist. Lawyer or attorney. A law person. Lawyer or attorney. Pastor or preacher. The preaching with the agent marker. Pastor or preacher. Priest. Priest. Your G hand is representing the caller. Priest. This section is going to be focusing on signs for personal services. Babysitter. Babysitter. Baby with keep and the agent marker. Babysitter. Janitor, custodian, or cleaner. The first one is brushing, sweeping with the agent marker. And then the other is cleaning with the agent marker. Janitor, custodian, or cleaner. House cleaner or housekeeper. It's house and then cleaning with the agent marker. House cleaner, housekeeper. Now for jobs that don't really have a category. Athlete. Athlete. Sports person. Athlete. Wedding coordinator. Wedding coordinator. To wed, wedding, and then coordinate with the agent marker. Wedding coordinator. Vet. Veterinarian. You abbreviate it by fingerspelling V-E-T. Vet, veterinarian. Physiologist. Physiologist. It's body, study, person. Physiologist. Economist. Economist. Economy, person. Economist. You did it, signers! That's 100 job signs in ASL between Part 1 and Part 2. What a great foundation for conversations about work, school, and the future. Remember, the best way to build confidence is to review a little at a time. So come back and practice often, and keep adding to what you know. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.